this Acoustics America segment, we'll take a quick look at hardware options for installing your fabric-wrapped acoustical panels and clouds. The first thing we want to point out is the difference between a fabric-wrapped acoustic panel and an acoustic cloud. A fabric-wrapped acoustic panel is attached tight and flush to the surface. This is typically a wall, but a panel can also be mounted flush to the ceiling, provided you use the proper hardware. A cloud, on the other hand, is suspended by a wire or line so it floats overhead. Clouds float with their broad side facing towards the floor and are suspended 6 inches or more down from the ceiling. A third type of treatment, called a baffle, also suspends from the ceiling, but on edge. We will not address baffles in this video, but be aware that our standard panels and clouds are not designed to hang on edge. If you need an edge suspended baffle, please check out those products separately on our website. Here are the fabric-wrapped acoustic panel hardware options. For mounting panels flush and tight to the wall or ceiling surface, our standard wall mounting system uses Impaling Clips and power grab adhesive. These clips are super easy to install. Just attach the Impaling clip to the wall with the proper mounting screws, apply power grab adhesive, and press the panel directly into the impalers. Hold firmly for a few seconds for the adhesive to set. And please, be careful, the clips are a bit sharp by design. Impaling clips provide an economical, fast, and easy installation method for wall applications. The only potential disadvantage to this method is that the adhesive can be a bit of a challenge if you need to remove the panel from the wall sometime in the future. And remember, Impaling clips are only for wall mount applications. Never use this method for mounting panels overhead on a ceiling. This brings us to our second option, angled impalers. Angled impalers are similar to standard impalers, but notice the 45-degree angle of the prongs. This design actually allows gravity to help hold the panel in place, making the use of the adhesive optional. This is a nice system for smaller panels, up to 24 by 48 inches, but do note that the panels can easily be removed by simply lifting. The caution with angled impalers is that they're not recommended in commercial or public areas, or areas with children or heavy traffic, because the panels can be bumped loose. Our third and premium option for panel mounting is the Rotofast SnapOn system. The system does not require the use of adhesive, and it's the preferred method of many installers. The reason is the instant positive lock system, hence the name SnapOn. Simply screw the augers into the back of the acoustic panel, mark the wall hole locations, install the screw with the ratchet, and then press the panel firmly against the wall. This positive lock system performs great when installing on any wall surface, and it's an excellent choice when walls are rough or uneven, or anywhere you prefer not to use adhesive. The Snap-on anchors also are the only method we recommend for mounting panels overhead, on ceilings, or other non-vertical surfaces. The instant positive locking ratchets provide more than 40 pounds of holding power per piece, making this the strongest, safest mounting method. If you're looking for a clean, easy mounting method for walls, or you're mounting panels directly to a ceiling, Rotofast Snap-on anchors are the only option we recommend. Now, about those ceiling clouds. Remember, a cloud is a panel that is suspended in the air by a cable, cord, or line. All of our ceiling clouds come with only one hardware type, the cloud anchor. These are included with each cloud and are simple to install. Cloud anchors come in 2 lengths, which we match to the panel thickness purchased. Suspension lines and ceiling mounts vary for each room and user preference and are not included with the cloud. See our website or your local hardware store for suspension items that best fit your design needs. I hope this hardware overview has been helpful. For more info, please visit us at acoustics america.com. Minimize noise, maximize value with Acoustics America.